In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to screen on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep a key item, like a button, logo, or helpful prompt, locked in place so your visitors can always see it while they explore your site. First, once you're in the Wix editor, click to select the element you want to pin. This could be a box, image, text, or button. Make sure you're selecting the element itself and not its container or section. If the element is part of a group, you may need to click again to dive into the group until you see that only the intended item is highlighted. That ensures the change applies to the right piece of content. With your element selected, look to the inspector pane on the right side of the editor. This is your control center for layout and behavior. If it looks collapsed, expand it so you can see all the options. We'll be focusing specifically on the positioning tools here. In the inspector, find the section labeled Position. This area tells Wix how your element should sit on the page and how it should behave as visitors scroll. By default, most elements are set to a standard flow position, which means they move naturally with the rest of your content. Now, change the position type to Pinned. Switching to Pinned tells Wix that this element should hold its place according to the pin settings you choose, rather than shifting with the rest of the page flow. You'll notice that additional controls appear as soon as you choose Pinned, which is exactly what we need next. Set the pin to option to page. This aligns the element to a specific position relative to the page, giving you predictable placement as visitors move through your content. At this point, you can fine-tune its exact alignment and offset so it sits precisely where you want it. Keep an eye on spacing, especially near the edges, so the element doesn't overlap important content. That's really all there is to it. Selecting your element, opening the inspector, heading to the position section, switching the position type to pinned, and setting pin to page will lock your element into a consistent spot on your layout. A quick tip: after pinning, consider how the element will feel for your visitors. Make sure it's helpful without being distracting, and check that it doesn't block navigation or readable text, especially on smaller screens. And there you go. Your element is pinned and ready to go. That's all.